Oh guys, Chinese phone maker CUBOT has officially announced that the new smartphone with the 6.95 large screen will be launched today, made the new CUBOT Max 3. As far as specifications are considered, the CUBOT Max 3 will be equipped with the 48 megapixel triple camera along with the 60 megapixel front camera for selfie and face unlock with this high definition camera system. The smartphone will be powered by an octa-core CPU paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Meanwhile, fueling it up, you'll find a 5000 mAh high-capacity battery so that you can keep working and playing longer without frequent charging. The Max 3 by CUBOT will indeed feature an ultra-large 6.95-inch punch-hole display. It also has a 20.5 to 9 aspect ratio with the narrow bezels that should offer a premium cinematic-grade visual experience, especially when you are watching movies or TV shows. As the smartphone with the biggest screen ever made by CUBOT, the Max 3 with its near 7-inch screen can even be put into the mini tablet territory. Last but not least, the Max 3 also manages to support payments using NFC via Google Pay, and it runs on the latest Android 11 OS. The official CUBOT sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and grab a new Max 3 for a really good price. That will be all for today. See you soon in the new video. Bye.